At the very outset, I consider it a privilege to address our people on the occasion of Fire Service Week 2021. As you are aware, the Fire Service Day is observed all over India on 14th April every year to pay homage and commemorate the brave firefighters who lost their lives in the line of duty in the devastating fire that broke out following an explosion on a ship at Victoria Dock in Mumbai port on 14th April 1944. Firefighters are indeed heroes in every sense. I take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude for all the valuable services the personnel have provided to the people and pay deepest tribute to the brave firefighters who gave their lives to protect our lives. Their sacrifice will never be forgotten, and in their memory, let us dedicate ourselves to preventing tragedy before it strikes. I also extend my deepest condolences to the two of our officers, namely Station Officer Jugal Chand Panyang and Sub Officer Gajendra Nath Das, who lost their lives in the line of duty due to COVID-19 pandemic. This year, Assam Fire and Emergency Services is observing the program with effect from 14th April to 20th April 2021, starting with different activities including fire safety, public awareness, mock drills, lectures and demonstrations on fire prevention and protection covering various schools, colleges, malls, hospitals, etc. to enhance public awareness about the necessity of minimizing losses due to fire and emphasize the importance of maintenance of fire safety equipment to mitigate fire hazards. Moreover, with an aim to carry forward the culture of Fit India and Khelo India movement, several additional events like cycle rally, yoga, sports events, etc. will be organized at Guwahati and selected districts, followed by special inspection drives in multi-storied buildings and important occupancies. Dear friends, Fire and Emergency Services Assam today has expanded considerably from the modest beginning of 2 fire and emergency stations in the year 1956. At present, it is functioning with 140 fire and emergency stations covering all major towns and cities in Assam. I am glad to mention that our department has displayed high level of dedication and commitment towards our motto, "We serve to save," and irrespective of any circumstances has shown sincerity and professionalism in handling various forms of disaster situations. I feel immensely proud to say that with their selfless service, Fire and Emergency Services and SDRF have been successful in creating goodwill and positive image among the citizens. During outbreak of fire or any form of emergency, people look forward for our help and support, and it is our endeavor to live up to their expectations. During the past 5 years, Fire and Emergency Services along with SDRF have rescued and evacuated over 38,000 people in various rescue operations in the state and attended to 17,670 fire calls, thus saving property worth over rupees 2,880 crores. During the same period, 2,236 special/rescue calls were attended by the Fire and Emergency Services and SDRF, resulting in 457 human lives being saved and recovery of 996 dead bodies. In a significant underwater search and rescue operation on 1st September 2018, the Fire and Emergency Services and SDRF personnel successfully located and recovered a car along with the dead bodies of 5 members of a family from the Dikho River in Sibsagar district. Further, in a similar search and rescue operation carried out on 2nd of July 2020, 3 dead bodies along with the car were recovered from Gelua River at Silapathar in Dhemaji district. It is important to note that outbreak of fire brings about serious devastation. However, all of us can take meaningful steps to reduce the risk of fire in our homes and workplace. I urge all the stakeholders to encourage the installation of fire alarms, smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, fixed firefighting installations like sprinklers, hydrants, etc., as per norms prescribed in the National Building Code of India 2016, and maintain the installed fire safety equipment in functioning condition to mitigate any fire hazards. I also take this opportunity to thank the people of Assam for the support extended by them to the Fire and Emergency Services Assam and SDRF during the various firefighting, search and rescue operations. Thank you.